But welcome back to my channel, my Cherrie babies. Okay, so I'm coming to you today. I'm coming to you today with a brand new video. Okay, I'm done. Coming to you today with a brand new video. Purchase this product at a discounted price from my honest review. And do you want to know what it is? First of all, can we just shout out to New York because outside is so loud and I just have my little piece of window open. Listen, the New York streets. Anyway, so palette, it has 16 different shades. It's a velvet texture and it's neutral, all neutral colors. And Cibbcci Cosmetics 16 color makeup palette, and this is the makeup palette right here. This beautiful palette comes with 16 different velvet textured shades and also comes with a mirror. Look at that, I'm a mess. So that's the mirror. All of these did not come with any names, matter of fact. It just came with this little thing, and it also came in this box, which it looks the same as the front, so yeah, a little bit. So that's one. That's two. Then we have our brown. And this one actually has glitter. This looks like more like a foil. And then we have this one. That's more like a rose gold texture. And they are very velvet, okay? They are velvet. The texture is so nice and beautiful. Now we're gonna get into the gold, honey. And these, when you swatch them, like so soft. So that's the gold. This one is the gold. And now we're gonna go into like this burgundy. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Ooh, that is nice. Now this is an orange. This could be like your transitional shades for like the makeup wearers, you know what I mean? This one is a little bit dull though. This one is a little bit dull. It's not that pigmented as the others. Y'all, I'm running out of fingers here. I'm running out of hand. This one is similar to this one, but it's a little bit more... This one is a little bit more rosy. This one is a little bit more penny. You know? Penny looking. Bronze looking. Penny looking. Penny looking. Hold on, let me wipe my hands really quickly. I ain't know my hand had enough space for 16, but where were we? So we're gonna get into this regular burgundy. So some of them have shimmer and then some of them don't have shimmer. So this is a burgundy without the shimmer. Ooh, honey. That is a plum. I like that one. Oh my God. So that's the plum, and right beside the plum we have another plum, but this one has shimmer. I'll show y'all right here. So this one is a little bit more red tone, this one is a little bit more purple tone, but this one has shimmer, and then this one doesn't. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. And this is our basic baddie brown. Oh my gosh, it looked brown on the paper, and then on my skin it don't look brown. That's this one right here. Put a little bit more. So that's like your plum without the shimmer. Oh my gosh, all of these look so nice. I'm running out of hands. I'm running out of space. This one is a coppery shimmer. I like that. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see like each and every one. So we have 4 more, which I'm just gonna do on this arm because I don't got no more space, y'all. I don't have any more space. Just gonna prime this here. Gotta prime it so they know like, oh my God, it's really pigmented. That's the joke, the gag is. I primed it and then put on the shades. Okay. So we're getting into the second arm. Ooh, that one is a purple. I like that. Then we have another. Yeah. I like this so much. This is our most darkest shade in this palette. So that's like a black. Would you say a black? I would say your deepest, darkest brown. And then we have one more brown. Alright, so now we're going to do a close-up. Hold on. Alright, folks. So now we're going to get into using the palette. So I'm obviously not going to use 16 shades on one eyeball. That's impossible on one eyelid. But I'm going to do a natural look because I am going to go to work later. So I'll probably use maybe 3 different colors and I'll show you as I go along. So now I'm just going to close up all the way up into my face and my pores so we can get into it. I purchased my product from Amazon, and I also have a coupon code that you can get 25% off of this 16 eyeshadow palette, velvet texture. So I'll leave my coupon code down below in my description box, also with the link to the Amazon product, and I'll also put it up on the screen so it'll bounce up around here. Tuning into my eyeshadow look. I'm not a huge fan of eyeshadow. I'm not like a makeup I'm not a makeup artist, so this is what you get, this is what you got. But this beautiful Cibbcci makeup palette did this beautiful look. I used 3 different colors. I used brown as my 4 different colors. I used brown as my transition, which you probably do not see. I use purple, the one with the shimmer, and I also use gold and a little bit of rose gold under my brow bone. So I use gold, purple, brown. Yeah, so in all I used 4 different colors. So that is the eye look. I'll put all the links down below in the description box. And also, sorry for all the loud noises that you heard, because New York City, we're a place that never sleeps. Especially outside my house, nobody sleeps. And the train never sleeps, but that's besides the point. Go ahead and get you this palette. Y'all saw it? Y'all saw the finishing product. Very beautiful. 16 natural and neutral different colors. Y'all saw the swatches. Y'all already know what it is. Bye, guys. Mwah. Don't forget to use my discount code for 25% off. Links will be down below. Stay tuned for the vlog. If you haven't watched my other video, just go click right now. Go subscribe. Hit the link.